And let's go to the second type of chat. That would be a bar chat. So I have the data here. I have the sales based on the current month or 3 months. So I want to select this, and I want to go to insert and check here and push this button. You will get bar chart. Okay, so the bar chart has all the data automatically selected, and this is the data. So if you want to have a data like this, you can have it, or as I told you in the pie chart, we can switch the rows to columns, the columns to rows. Now let's go to the switch button. I switched it, and now it is showing up based on the area. So United States have this much sales in Jan. This is for Feb. The color indicates that Feb, and this is March. So this is how we do in bar charts, and we can do how many ever columns if you want to insert. Okay, so I can change this based on my preference, and you can change based on your preference. Okay, so this is how we go. And again, if you want to have chart elements here, you can do that. So axis are like primary, or if you want to show up that vertical, this is the axis. If you want to show up that, you can show that. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, you can remove that. Okay, axis titles, if you want to have a title, you can customize based on your preference, and you can do that to vertical as well. And chart title is again if you don't want that title, and generally everybody wants to title their chart. So about chat or centered overlay. Data labels, there are no data labels currently. If I want to have it in center, you can do that, inside, outside. And this is good when we use bar charts. Or if you want to have a data collection or data call out, this would give all the information regarding that, and this will confuse that. So let's go to this, and let's click there. We go to data table. The legend keys are this. So mainly I always prefer this, and this would be very useful when we portray or present to somebody, so some managers and all. So you directly go this, and you can show up the chart and the data or the sales presentation. So let's go to here, and if you want to have some, if there are any error, if there is a standard bar error, it will show up like this. If you want to have a percentage, it will show like this. And the grid lines, basically you can do by your choice. And legend, I told you about the legend. I want it at the bottom right, and none. If you want to have it there, you can do that. I would prefer always the right side. And let's go to trend line. Trend line currently is only useful for the linear thing. If you want to have only for Jan or only for Feb, you can click that. Okay, so it is showing up the trend line, how it goes for Jan. So it is the blue color one. So I am checking the trend. So the trend is like it is going towards the downside. Okay, so let's click that, and let's delete. It will go off, and the quick layout will show up the designs default to ones. You can select any default based on your. This will be very useful when you want data, if you want to have a presentation within a short time. Okay, let's go to change colors. Change colors is again the same for all the other charts. It would be the same. Okay, and if you want to have a layout different, and you can do that here, and you can switch around the row or the column like this. And you can change the selection data or so. So if you want to have only until Feb, only one. If you want to have only data for Feb and Jan, you can do this like so, and select and click OK, and we have only Jan and Feb's data now. That's it. So let's go to the change chart type. Again, we have all the different charts. You can select one of them if you want to change the chart type, if you want to have a change. So whenever I go there, the cursor, so it'll show up the complete preview of that. So cancel, and move chat is again that if you want to move chat to another one. This is the chart too which we prepare, and it will go to the new sheet. Or if you want to put some object in, you can do that here as well as in a sheet 1. Or if you want to have all the sheets, all the chats in one sheet, you can do that by selecting this. Okay, let's cancel this, and hope this would help you in preparing some chat and all, and this would be very useful when we want to present our data to clients and managers. So, and this is all about in this session, and let's meet in the next one with a very useful tips. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I am Nevian for the Beguiling Beards. Bye bye.